Hi everyone and welcome to Smart Culture Education. This is the place where we make learning simple, clear and engaging. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you can join us on this journey of mastering maths, science and more. Let's determine the critical angle of a semicircular glass prism. Take a sheet of white paper and draw two straight lines at right angles to each other. This forms a neat cross. Place the semicircular glass prism on the cross so that the flat side of the prism is aligned with the vertical line. Now shine a ray of light from the ray box through the center of the prism. Watch carefully how the ray enters and bends inside the prism. Slowly rotate the prism so that the angle of incidence changes. Look at the point where the ray leaves the flat side of the prism. Adjust the prism until the refracted ray just grazes along the boundary between glass and air. At this point, the angle of refraction is 90 degrees and the angle of incidence is called the critical angle. So here's something interesting happens. While the refracted ray is moving along the surface, you can also see that a part of the light is internally reflected back inside the prism. This is normal because light does not choose only one path. At any boundary, some of the light is refracted and some is reflected. At the critical angle, the refraction becomes a grazing ray along the surface, but reflection still takes place inside the glass. Mark the point where the ray enters the prism and the point where it leaves. Now you can remove the prism from the paper, join the 2 points with a straight line, this represents the incident ray. Draw the normal at the flat surface and use a protractor to measure the angle of incidence. This angle is the critical angle. Now, if we increase the angle of incidence beyond this value, the refracted ray disappears completely and only total internal reflection remains. This is how fiber optics carry signals, how endoscopes work in medicine, and even why diamonds sparkle so brightly. You will see that the critical angle for glass is approximately 42 degrees. Thank you for watching today's video on Smart Culture Education. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to stay updated, tap the notification bell so you never miss our next lesson. See you in the next video.